As quantum computing evolves, the control systems that power these advanced machines must grow and change as well. Keysight has long been a leader in quantum computing and continues to drive innovation and progress. We recently delivered the world's largest commercial quantum control system that pushes the limits of quantum computing in terms of both scale and performance. Having ensured that our control systems meet the most rigorous of standards, Keysight is the first vendor to scale these to the kilo-qubit era. Thanks to Keysight's immersion into the world of quantum system architecture, our control systems effectively address a number of major challenges, making us a vendor that plays a key role in actively defining what scalable quantum computing looks like. Thanks to our One Keysight philosophy, we've mobilized multiple experts to work as a single team and deliver the world's largest quantum control system. Keysight, innovation from the ground up.